How do you? I like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And if you're an oldie, welcome back. Welcome back. We're family. Come on in. So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a cut crease using the James Charles Morphe palette, using some greens and some yellows. And I just wanted to do something different, more colorful look. So that's what we're doing here in this tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then let's go ahead and get into the video. So basically what I went in, oh my gosh, look at my eyes, y'all. So I went in with the James Charles Morphe palette and I went in with Sugar Daddy and Blade as my transition shade. And so now I'm just cutting my lid. I went in with my makeup cleaner to clean the arch. And now I'm going in with my NYX white eyeshadow base and I'm going to cut my lid. Let me go ahead and prep both my eyes and then I'm gonna come back. Sorry, y'all. I'm just like everywhere, but I'm going to go ahead and use the transition shades on this eye and cut it and I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of wasn't talking, sorry y'all. It was kind of like I had to make sure I was blending them out good. What I did is I went in with the Bumblebee from the James Charles Morphe palette, and then I just blended that out with the same shades from the transition, Social Blade and Daddy, and I'm just transitioning out. It's kind of giving me a Sprite feel, but what I want to do, because the colors are kind of meshing in with the transition shade, is I'm going to go in with my NYX liner and I'm going to outline the cut to try to help, hopefully that will help define the cut, but we'll see. Okay, it's not that bad. It's different, so it's giving me Sprite vibes. I'm going to go ahead and line my brows and put on my lashes, and we're going to come back and do the face. All right, y'all. So what I did with my lashes, see how it's coming together? I'm going to put some, I'm going in with my NYX pore filler, and I'm going to just use that as a primer. Off camera, I use my Pond moisturizer, and I moisturized my face before I did my brows off camera. And now I'm just priming my face with the NYX pore filler, and we are going to get this party going. And I'm going in with my Morphe foundation, and I'm going in a tone tan 21. That's what I thought it was, but I didn't want to say it and I'll be wrong. So, but yeah, tan 21. So I'm going to go work this in, and then I'll be back to do my concealer. So for concealer, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place in the shade 13, and also the e.l.f. In the shade medium beige. In case you're wondering why I use two different concealers, one of them just helps clean up the area, give me more coverage. It still lights the face, and then the other one goes on top and gives me another, you know. So it just lightens up the areas as well. I like that method. It's been working for me. So that's what I've been doing. Next, I'm going in with my loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. Scratch that, we're not, because I need some more of that. So we're going in with our Laura Mercier, or Laura Mercier, however you say it, in the shade Honey. While that's setting, what I'm going to do is go in with the Social Blade, or that's how you call it, I forgot, just that quick, but and Daddy under my lid, and just smoke out the bottom part of my eye. Okay, and I'm going in with my NYX Terracotta blush. Y'all, this is like a oldie but goodie. I don't want nothing too bright since my eyes is already doing a lot. I'm trying to still debate if I want to go in with a white or color liner in my eyes. So I'm just going to keep the rest of my face real subtle. Okay. All right, y'all. So what I'm going to do here now, since I pretty much got my face taken care of off camera, I'm going to do my lips. Clean up this setting powder that's been sitting on my face, and I will come back with the final look. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.